Hello kids, welcome back to Phonics Adventure.
We're ready for more phonics fun.
Let's remember what we learned last time.
P, Q and R.
Sure.
We're ready for more phonics fun.
Today we are going to learn new 3 letters.
Tell us.
That are S, T, U.
Start our phonics adventure.
This is letter S. S is for sun.
Wow, a shiny sun.
S says sun. This is letter T. T is for tiger. T says tiger. This is letter U. U is for umbrella.
Oops, it almost covered me.
Repeat
U
after me.
says umbrella. Let's play phonic game. What sound? Sun. What sound? Tiger. What sound? Umbrella. Today you all done a wonderful job.
Today we learned S, T, and U. Next time we'll learn the last exciting letters. Bye kids, see you in the next phonics adventure.